hope they like this video. Pokemon Unite.
You been recording?
Yes. My friends are all. It's insane that
I can't believe I named this video True Try Hard Potential.
yeah, you're right. Wait, someone is watching?
Only one person.
And if they see the...
They are.
Miley! Marley! Marley! Guess what I put in? Guess what, Marley? Guess what I put in Rodney's live stream? I technically am Space Place too, and I said, remember one time that your dad goes to get milk and then he doesn't tell you the truth, and then when you're run out of milk, he went to buy to the store, and he never comes back.
Listen to me. Work on your grammar.
And literally, someone subscribed to it because they liked the joke.
Like, bro, remember when our dad went to get milk and he never came back? Like that. Like that. Don't make it long. Try to make it short. Because if, like, for instance, it's like writing. If you want to interact with the viewers, you don't want to put them in.
Riley, I'm making a video right now. I'm trying to do Pokemon Unite.
That's what you're doing right now?
Yes, they love it.
How do you make a live stream?
Oh, I can make a live stream because I installed this app.
Seriously, I'm gonna join you guys.
Okay, what are you gonna make videos with? I don't care.
I don't know.
If it's all about dogs, sure. I don't care about that.
I could edit videos for you guys if you want.
Nah, you're useless.
Just watching what we're doing.
You need a new aim.
I want to go on this week.
Fine, sorry.
Oh, I am.
Wait, how do you make a new YouTube channel?
I just need a YouTube. This is what I'm trying, but I don't want to work with you guys. If you guys want me to help you edit, you can help. You could tell me. I'm good at editing.
Keep the process.
Make a new Google account.
No, bro, I'm getting attacked by 3 people. If this is the kill of the century, bro, this will be sick. I scared them off.
I dare to try the bounce balls attack.
Ready? Ready? Set, jump. See? I didn't hit the other ones. That's what I did. Can't let them get near it. Yes, not jump.
Can you show me the roll-out thing about you bouncing off walls?
Boom, boom. You like it?
Oh, I didn't. I buy Bigly tough.
I know it's OP. I know it's OP, but geez, don't gotta brag about it like that. Normal people, bro. Boing, boing, boing. That would have just been killed. That would just been a kill. That would just been killed. He slapped it.
Should I play?
Literally, it's just too OP.
Should I keep off?
No, whatever you want, I don't care. Oh god. Whatever makes content. Boing,
We need
boing,
to find out how to
boing,
edit.
boing, boing. Riley knows how to edit, she says.
Then let her edit the video so there can be memes in it. So then people will actually like them.
Come on, kill them. Hurry. Come on, bro. This is gonna be good. Bro, this bad content if I can keep alive. If I can stay alive, there's no good content. Actually, content doesn't matter about staying alive. It just matters about doing your best and trying to look like as you could do it. Frick! Yes, come on. Our own. Bounce, 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 brown. It does end eventually, but it takes a while. Slap, slap, you little punk. Like slap. Little punk. Like getting slapped, idiot. Yeah, that's what. Oh my god, let's get a bit up there, easy. I'm gonna soon post a Pokemon Unite and its content, alright? Pokemon Unite is pretty.
This is a opinion.
They don't even know. Loser! Kato. I said loser!
What's the lucky block?
You got it?
It's your magic carpet.
Nope.
Oh my god. Should I use the cape? My OG skin? Or should I use the magic carpet?
Ah!